In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up order flow on Sierra chart. So order flow is a powerful tool that shows you the market's real-time supply and demand, giving you an edge in understanding price action. So first, open your Sierra chart platform and load the chart you want to analyze. So if you don't have a chart yet, you can just go to the file on the upper left corner and then find a symbol in here. So select any symbol you want to open in here and then click the open intraday chart. Again, open it. And as you can see, so let's cancel this. Copy, cancel, then change symbol and close it. So as you can see, we don't have yet a chart visual in here, so assumingly we have since it's downloading. So now let's head over to the analysis section. So beside the chart, so click the analysis and then select the studies. So in this studies windows, you can click on the add custom study. And then here you can type in order flow in the search bar, so you'll see several options like order flow, volume profile, or order flow cumulative delta. So choose the one that suits your strategy. And then once selected, you can click OK to apply it to your chart. And now to customize your settings, it's time to adjust settings. So to access settings, just go back to the studies windows and then select the order flow study and then click settings, and here you can change parameters such as volume delta, bar width, profile settings, price levels and colors, and so on. So customize the settings based on what you're looking for. For example, you might adjust the bar width for a clear visuals or change colors to highlight specific price actions. So now to use order flow tools for analysis. So once set up, you should start seeing here a detailed order flow information such as volume at price, cumulative delta, bid ask imbalance, and then you can use these data points to identify areas of high activity potential, market severals or reversals, and price congestions. So bonus tips, so to get even more precise insights in here, so combine order flow with other indicators like VWAP, RSI, or moving averages, because this helps you to confirm your trade setups for even better entries and exits. And that's how you set up a order flow on Sierra Chart. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.